Notion AI versus Evernote. Our modern lives are filled with endless streams of digital information, creating a kind of mental fog. We collect articles, meeting notes, and fleeting ideas, hoping to organize them later. This digital clutter can feel overwhelming, like trying to find a single book in a library with no catalog system. What we truly need is not just a storage space, but a second brain, a reliable external system to manage our knowledge. This concept, a digital extension of our memory, is the key to achieving clarity and boosting our productivity in a complex world. From this need for order, our first contender emerges: Evernote, a long-standing champion in the world of digital note-taking. Think of it as the ultimate digital filing cabinet, meticulously designed for one primary purpose: capturing everything. For years, it has been the go-to tool for reliably storing web clippings, documents, and quick thoughts with powerful tagging features. Its philosophy is straightforward and robust, focusing on being a dependable archive for your life's information. It acts like a trusted librarian, ensuring that nothing you save is ever truly lost and can be found with its powerful search function. Then a new challenger appeared with a completely different approach: Notion. If Evernote is a filing cabinet, Notion is a box of Lego bricks for your digital life. It doesn't just store information. It gives you the power to build custom systems from the ground up. You can create interconnected databases, project trackers, and personal wikis, all within one flexible space. This modularity makes it a powerful workspace architect, allowing you to design a digital environment that perfectly mirrors your unique thought process. It's less about simple storage and more about creating a dynamic, living system for your work. Let's delve deeper into Evernote's core competency, its capture and search capabilities. The term frictionless capture means you can save information with minimal effort, whether it's an email, a photo of a whiteboard, or a PDF document. Imagine a librarian who can instantly scan and categorize any piece of paper you hand them. Evernote's powerful search function, including searching text within images, is its superpower, allowing you to retrieve specific notes from years ago in mere seconds. This makes it an incredibly reliable repository for anyone who values quick, effortless archiving and retrieval over complex system building. Now we explore Notion's defining feature: its relational databases and interconnectedness. This is where the Lego block analogy truly comes to life. Instead of isolated notes, you create databases. Think of them as smart spreadsheets that can link to each other. A project in your task list can be directly linked to the meeting notes and the client profile related to it. This creates a web of knowledge, a holistic view of your work where everything is connected. This structure transforms your workspace from a simple collection of files into a powerful, personalized operating system for your life and projects. Just as we understood their fundamental differences, a new element entered the arena: artificial intelligence. This isn't just a minor update, it's a paradigm shift that fundamentally enhances how these tools function as our second brain. AI acts as a cognitive partner, an intelligent layer that sits on top of your organized information. It promises to not only help us manage our notes but also to help us think, create, and synthesize information in ways we couldn't before. The battle is no longer just about storage versus structure. It's about which platform offers a smarter, more helpful AI assistant. Notion AI embeds itself directly into the creative process, acting as a co-creator. Imagine you're starting with a blank page. Notion AI can generate a first draft, brainstorm ideas, or even write a summary of your lengthy meeting notes. It's a generative tool, meaning it helps you produce new content from scratch. This AI is not just for organizing. It's for augmenting your thinking and overcoming writer's block. It transforms the platform from a place where you build systems into a space where you actively collaborate with an intelligent partner to create and refine your best work. Evernote's AI, on the other hand, focuses on enhancing its core mission, making your existing information more accessible and actionable. Its AI features, like AI-powered search, understand natural language, allowing you to ask questions like, "What were the key takeaways from my meetings last week?" It also helps with data cleanup, automatically organizing messy notes and generating instant summaries of your content. Think of it as an incredibly smart librarian's assistant that doesn't write new books for you, but helps you find and understand the ones you already have. It intelligently manages your archive. So we arrive at the final verdict: Notion AI versus Evernote. The choice depends entirely on your workflow, the specific way you work and think. Notion AI is the architect's assistant, ideal for creators, planners, and system builders who want an AI partner to help generate and structure new ideas from the ground up. Evernote, with its new AI features, is the archivist's assistant, perfect for researchers and professionals who need to capture vast amounts of information and have an AI help them find insights within it. One is for building the future, the other is for understanding the past. Ultimately, choosing between these powerful tools is a personal journey of defining your needs. Do you need a co-pilot for creation or a curator for your collection? The best productivity tool is the one that seamlessly integrates with your mind, reducing friction and amplifying your natural abilities. By understanding these core philosophies, the architect versus the archivist, you can make an informed decision and build a second brain that truly works for you. Start by analyzing your daily tasks, and you'll discover which digital companion is the right fit to bring clarity and focus to your life.